Hi, I'm Austin Carr, founder of GreenLink Energy Solutions. If you're a university, church, or business owner in Illinois, now is an opportune time to explore going solar. With the Illinois Shines program and incentives from the Inflation Reduction Act, going solar is more affordable than ever. Financing options like power purchase agreements and low interest loans make it easy for nonprofits to get started. Solar not only saves you money on electricity bills, but also demonstrates your commitment to environmental stewardship. It's a win-win for your bottom line and the planet. Join me and attorney Jim Keeling on May 1st to learn more about how your institution can harness the power of going solar. We'll share insights from successful projects such as Our Saviors Lutheran and Rockford University. Don't miss this opportunity to discover the benefits of solar for your organization.